Hey, yeah, you. If you're hearing this and you own a motorcycle, then listen up. If you still have the same stock wheels that came on the bike, well, buddy, I hate to tell you, but you're just blending in with the rest of them. But don't worry, the good news is RC Components is here to help with all of that. We have over 35 wheel designs to choose from in 20 different sizes. So I know we have the wheels that'll make you say, oh, I need those. So, what are you waiting for? Why don't you give us a call today or head over to shoprccomponents.com and get started setting yourself apart from the crowd. Find us at our rally truck on location also. Wherever the party's at, so is RC Components.